Hi, let me show you how to enable auto call recorder on Samsung Galaxy A36. So firstly, you can check your phone's settings because this feature could be placed in your settings. So tap on three dots, choose settings, and now search for the feature call recorder in this menu. If you see it here, then congratulations, you can use it. But if not, then we need to go in Play Store and here install Cube ACR call recorder. So let's just install this one, and let's also install from Galaxy Store Cube ACR helper. So I'm gonna update Galaxy Store first to be able to install something from here, and then find Cube ACR helper because actually we are gonna need two apps, default one and helper, which will help us to set up our default app. So let's go ahead and find here ACR Cube helper and install this app as well. Now let's go ahead and open our main Cube ACR app. Here tap next, and now we need to grant permissions. So tap while using the app, allow everything you see on the display, and now we need to disable power optimization for Cube. So tap allow. Here you can tap yes while using the app, and then go in grant permissions and switch to allow all the time. Now let's keep premium versions, and we need to tap fix the issues, and this will open our Cube ACR helper app, second one. So here we need to grant permissions as well. So allow everything you see on the screen, and now we need to enable app connector. For that, pick installed apps, pick your Cube ACR app, tap to enable and tap allow. Now we need to tap allow here as well, and that's it, we can open Cube ACR app. So let's test it. I'm just gonna make a phone call and we'll see whether it will be recorded or not. So let's just wait a few seconds more, and yep, this is it. We can end the call, go back to our Cube ACR app, and here it is. You can tap it, listen to your conversation, you can tap on three dots, delete this one, or you can tap on number and adjust its settings. Now each of your calls will be recorded and saved right here in this Cube ACR app. But please note that it is not legal to record another person without his or her permission. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.